What's going on, guys? Adam again, back with Atomic Garage, and we're here with the BMW once again. And I've got two mods for the exterior of this car that may make me a RICER. I don't know. Tell me what you think. Yes, guys, just as the intro stated, two mods that goes on the front, but they're in a small box. Can you guess what it is? I'm not even gonna make you guess. It is corner lights as well. But you may ask, what is in this cylinder tube here? And we'll save that for after I reveal the turn signal lights. So let me show you what I got. And who said a roof rack wasn't usable? Guess where you're sitting? On top of the roof rack. Anyway, this is what we got. Post office lady just came. The weather's pretty terrible outside, but it actually feels pretty good. And how about them Jags? We had a losing season, but you know what? Better off next year. So we got some turn signal lights, which I think they look actually pretty good. And it's gonna break up some of that bright oranginess that is on the front end of the car. I think this would be a good addition, especially since I kind of cleaned up the headlights and made them look a little bit better. But now for this right here, let me show you how ricey I think I actually am. Yes, it is green neochrome, and I think for some reason that if I put this on these headlights, I think they will actually look pretty good. I think. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, nothing like some green neochrome. You know what? This is kind of polarizing, but you know what? I'm going to try it. We're going to see how good or bad it looks. And maybe I might do it on the side marker as well. I don't know. Let's see. So, guys, this weather, it's not looking too good, but it's time to go ahead and remove these headlights for the 14th time and take them inside and see if I can wrap them. And I'm not going to show the wrapping process, or maybe not much, because I know I'll be terrible at it and I don't want to bore you guys. So let's take these headlights off first. Lights are off, and man, it just shows how much of a deep cleaning that I really need to do on this thing. But that's gonna have to come a little bit later on. You can see that side is pretty bad too. Anyway, we're gonna take these inside and start playing around with it, seeing if we can go ahead and see if we can wrap them and see how they would look. And I hope they look good. But if they don't, I'm not really worried, because I only got like $8 invested in the wrap. So, in the tent rather. So, let's see. And it just looks so sad without any headlights. And you know what? I need to, one of these days, go ahead and paint this right here. I forgot what it was called, actually. It was a grill, but it's got another name for it. I need to paint that. And also, I'm talking to a guy about getting a M3 style front bumper. He wants like $100. I'm gonna try and short him with like 60 maybe. See if that'll work. Short him, negotiate rather. I'm not cheating the guy, but it's for a used one, because I really don't like this front bumper. I want the different style front bumper so I can put a front lip on there. I think it'll look pretty good. And she needs a bath. Look how dirty it is. The worst part about living on a dirt road is no need to keep it clean. And I even thought about painting the wheels white, which I'm still thinking about doing. So I don't know. But anyway, take all this stuff inside, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. So this is just one. The wrap would not work on the headlights, because there's these little stubby pieces right here, and it wouldn't look good at all. I still have to re-glue this on. That's the one bad thing about having a cheap one. And you know, from the front, it actually looks pretty good. Like, I kind of low-key like it a little bit, but see, the problem is, based on looks, is because I don't want to just throw a bunch of random stuff on there and then it doesn't tie together. And that's what I think is going on. Let me just ignore the dirt, Please forgive me for that. So we've got like this copper color. You can't really tell it now because the sun's not really out. But the copper color for the brake calipers, which I may end up changing. I don't know. I may take them and powder coat them. That may be something I want to look at. I'm not sure. Now, while I do like the green, don't get me wrong. You've got the blue that's on the BMW emblem. You've got this copper color that's on the caliper. You've got a brown that's on the roof rack. And as you go back, the tint has a bluish hue to it. And then you have red taillights. I don't know about you guys, but there is too many, God, that wheel looks bad. It's too many colors going on. All of these colors will not look good together, at least in my opinion. So in the comment section below, guys, let me know if you like the green or if you don't like the green. If you don't, it's not a big deal. I only spent like $8 on it, so I'm not really taking a loss on it. Either way, what I'm going to do is peel these off and just put the side markers in, and let's see how the BMW looks. And from there, then I'll see what your comments say, and then I can go back and wrap it. I've got like 4 feet to actually do them again if I want to. But for right now, we're just going to throw the clear ones on and then see if it cleans up the look of the BMW at all. So rip to that bolt that goes right down in on that side. Rip, you will be missed. But anyway, man, I think that looks pretty good if I do say so myself. Time to get to the next, and you guys have seen this enough, so no need to show it again. Well, guys, we are back at the house. I hope you enjoyed the video. I think they look really good, if I do say so myself. One thing that I forgot to mention is that I was thinking about getting some vinyl wrap, which is another reason why the green is not going to work there. I was going to use some wood-style textured vinyl wrap and put on the side mirrors. I was thinking about swapping them to the M style, but every other BMW had those, so I didn't want to do them as well. So I had some colors. If I can find it, I've got like 3 of these wood colors, but as you can see, as the camera can show, none of them match. So I'm going to keep looking out, but I think that would be a pretty cool little addition, a little change, something that you don't see on any other. So I'm going to keep my eye out for that darker brownish color, and maybe I can find something. Maybe if you guys know of anything, let me know in the comment section below. But that'll be it, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one.